What's up, y'all? Good morning. Back out here again. Nice weather. Well, cooler weather than we've been having. Some shitty air quality though, because of all these fires going around. SoCal, all of it's on fire right now. So other than that, nice cool day. So yeah, I'm back under the car right now, trying to get this subframe, this UMI, like tubular subframe, mounted. I got it on right here, but bolts of course aren't lining up, so I'm gonna mess with it again. Of course, I tried to do this in 100+ degree weather last week and got frustrated real quick. All right, thank you for that. All right, piece of shit. And just said screw it and closed the garage door and ran off. So I'm gonna try it again when it's a little cooler out here. My mind's fresh. Got some rest last night, so I'm gonna try this again right now. This is what I'm having. Let's see if I can get it. Trouble lining up these holes up here. So this one going in that hole right there, and then there's a back hole right there that this needs to line up with, and I can't get it to line up. So see if I can bend and pry this thing over, get these bolt holes to line up, and then without losing a damn eye under this car and all these spider webs. But yeah, let's see if I can get that to work. What's up, dude? It's random. Hi, guy. Who do you belong to? Random dog. Grinding the alignment dials on the subframe off, or just this one. I haven't done this side yet. I'm gonna do that right now and to see if I can get it to move around, get a little bit more wiggle room out of this. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Tried to do that without taking too much material off, but hopefully this works. I'm gonna have to pry this bitch into place. So yeah. Still underneath the car a few hours later. I cannot get this shit to line up at all, so I need to enlist some help with some stronger friends. I need some more muscle for this job. See if I can pry this kmember over and get it in the right spot. It is aligning better now that I've cut some stuff and pried some things over, but I'm gonna need a little bit more manpower to get this over. So to be continued on this. This is frustrating because I can't put the control arms on and the rest of the suspension like coilovers and all that just yet, because this is the main piece that holds this all up. The coilovers bolt into the spindles, and the spindles are attached to the control arms. It's not even off by that much, so apparently this frame is either tweaked or it's just old. Usually it's a common problem on these old unibody cars. Frames could be tweaked, so I'm pretty confident I'll get it done, get it fixed. If not, I'll probably get a strain straightening tool. That should do the trick if prying and the manpower won't do it. So yeah, to be continued on this process. This is literally like one of the last major things, getting this in, getting all the front end tidied up with the suspension and the steering and all that. So this car is filthy underneath. There's a bunch of spider webs. I don't know, I haven't been screaming how many spiders I've seen. But yeah, that's it in the process. I'm gonna just keep throwing everything I got at it until I get it done, because this is how cars work. That is what it is. So, peace.